Karjopolku 14 staircase. Ei here. Havukoski. Pohjois Björkvej, Itä-Vantaa, Östra-Vantaa, Eastern-Vantaa, Washington, Finland. I also filmed the staircase. A here, or B I mean. So the number is H37293, built in 1977, turning 45 years old in next year, 2022. The capacity is 4 rooms, so 305 rooms will be inspected next year, 2022. Some of the remaining ones I can try in the winter time, and some we can do together in the beginning of next year.
Yeah.
But when it's not too cold.
Yeah.
And the rest is at least, as we have seen, is MP8, and there's one 1990s residential building there as well. But on that side, everything was modernized or like.
I think there are a few balance clearance also.
Okay, but we will see it next year.
Yeah.
Or if I try in the winter time.
Spektaatpaikkivaisuus, meidän paikkaa.
Alright, that's it.
That's